Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and it's a Monday, and I've got a not really too big a job to do. This basement area, I got a couple rooms upstairs and a set of stairs to do. I've been doing this carpet for years. Polyester. It's actually pretty worn out. We got a dog we've been upchucking here, so I pre-treated that with some Proxy as I vacuum. Of course, I'm pre-vacuum and using the Kirby because it's easier to push on this very plush carpet. Of course, I always pre-vacuum. If you don't pre-vacuum, you are short-changing your customer and doing a substandard carpet cleaning job. Maybe some out there that do things that way, but it's not the right way to do it. And you know it. The Kirby is a great choice because it does have great power, and of course it's power driven. Easy vacuum to push on any carpet, and adjusts up, adjusts to the carpet tile. It'll do a thicker carpet better than any other vacuum. Its only drawback is it doesn't have a quick tool to pull out the edges and corners, but it does the edges very well. It does draw in from the edges really well up against the wall. So there's a little doggy in the house, and he upchucks on the carpet quite a lot. I was actually here not very long ago and had to deal with some upchucks, and I did get them out. I was in the other room there, and they didn't reappear. So anyway, he's a cute little guy. He gets us luck to work. You'll see the Kirby vacuum really pulls the pile up nicely. I'll be using this to post vacuum the carpet as well. And this room is always challenging because there's very poor light in here. Nice that there is a light on the Kirby. That does help. I won't be moving the couch here. Apparently a copper stain here, so I'll be hitting that with the proxy. Now, you might be wondering, why do I buy proxy as opposed to going to the beauty salon or wherever and buying straight peroxide. I used to do that, but then I realized that, well, I just felt it was better to use a product that was actually specifically made for what I'm doing. It's already pre-mixed. It's not very expensive, and I don't use all that much. This isn't a big expense to your chemistry. It should not be very much expense at all if you're buying professional grade products. They go a very long way. And one thing to bear in mind is some guys will be saying, well, you shouldn't buy professional grade products and you're going to spend more if you just go and buy, whatever at the grocery store. And here's something to bear in mind. You have to spend money with your business, or you're going to be spending money on taxes, assuming that you're actually declaring everything that you earn. And I suspect that some of these guys that are saying that, just go to the store and buy whatever, and, they're always looking for the cheapest possible way to do things. Maybe one of the reasons why they do that, I can't say that for sure, but I suspect one of the reasons they're doing that is because they're not declaring all their income. And I certainly do. And I need expenses, because if I don't have expenses, then I'm going to be paying taxes. So that's one of the reasons why I leased my van. I needed an expense. I'm earning, the profit margins that we're making are enough that I'd be paying out quite a bit of dollars in taxes. So, to think that you have to always be spending as little as possible to operate your business, if you're doing things cash in pocket, cash into your pocket, not declaring your income, that makes some sense. But if you're declaring your income and you're recording your invoices and what you're actually making and everything, then you need to have expenses to offset. Assuming you're making profit, you need to have, if you're making profit, you're going to be paying tax. And if you're paying tax, that money you're paying out in tax, you could be spending instead on either equipment or other business expenses, including your products that you clean with. So bear that in mind. So I'm not looking to. I'm careful about what I spend money on. I don't throw it away or anything, but I'm well aware of what the actual operating costs are, and the profit margins we're doing low moisture method like I'm doing with the rotary and everything are so great that our expenses are so low. For example, I spend about $50 a week or less for my van on fuel, and that's very, very low when you consider what a truck mount guy can operating would spend on even a day. So that's just amazing. I just filled it up yesterday, actually. No, Saturday, and it was just over $50. And it was a fairly big week. So anyway, just a thought. So we'll do the steps now. Watch this. a few of you guys out there didn't know that the Kirby could do that. It's phenomenal to vacuum steps with these. Well, now you know. So anyway, I vacuumed everything, so I'll go grab my machine and we'll start some carpet cleaning. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day.